how do I get into the parties? Well, I just come downstairs from my bedroom. But, you know, I own this extraordinary house, and I've owned it for about 15 years. And from the moment I walked into that house, I thought, this is a place that should be shared with people. And I do. I share it with all kinds of people. The kinds of events that I have are typically nonprofit events that benefit, you know, humankind through one organization or another. Last night there was an event for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society where they raised about $1 million, and I think in aggregate we've raised about $8 million. I'm really particularly proud about that. I also do business events that are related to innovation and entrepreneurship, venture capital, and mergers and acquisitions, which is what I do. How do people get in who are not invited? They have to find their way to somebody who does get in and become a friend to them. Or they can become my friends.
Okay.
I'm a pretty nice guy, so it's not too hard to do.